coffee bar. If you are anything like me and you love your morning coffee, I wanted to share with you a couple of the ways that I save money but still enjoy my cup of morning coffee. So welcome, my name is Lisa Heiss with Simple Living. Today, I love sharing words of inspiration, encouragement, simple living, but also ways just to practically save money and live on a budget. And so today's video, let's dive in. I'm going to share with you my coffee bar that I have kind of set up. I average probably 1 to 2 cups of coffee or more a day, no judgment. And so if I was doing that every day out and about at Starbucks, Dutch Brothers, etc., that would be almost $16 a day, and that's a lot. And so what I like to do every season is definitely to organize and set up a fun coffee bar that I enjoy to come to. And so I'll kind of give you a quick tour of how I set this up, but also some practical ways that I did it on a budget, saving money, etc. And so I'm going to go ahead and start out. This is my coffee machine. I have the Nespresso machine. I got this recently. And one thing that I do to save money is I have the little pods that you can reuse. And so a lot of those pods out there can be kind of expensive. And so one thing that I do is I buy my own coffee, sometimes on Amazon, my local grocery store. And so then what you do is you just fill up this little pod with coffee, pop the lid on, and then it will make your coffee, which is great. So it average saves me so much money in regards to, you know, that those coffee pods. And so, and then over here, I'll put the link to these products. I got them off of Amazon mostly, and so, but I'll put the link to those so you can also check them out. And then a few other things that I love is I love getting the little sugar-free pumpkin spice. This one is so good. And so you can check out, I mean, you can get it on Amazon, but also check out like TJ Maxx, Ross, Home Goods, etc. A lot of times they have them also, and even a little bit cheaper. And then one thing that I did check out was this little sinless syrup. I'll be honest, it's okay. Obviously, when you're taking away all the fun stuff, it's not quite as tasty, but it's not bad. But it's more, if you're looking for an alternative, it's plant-based, gluten-free, keto, zero sugar, zero net carbs. It's called Sinless Sugar-Free Syrup, Pumpkin Spice. And so that's something that I also got off of Amazon. And then one thing I love is having cute, fun fall mugs. And so I did pick these up this season. These are actually from the dollar store. I thought they were so cheery and so cute. So I'll just reuse these every year. And so, but I thought they were really, really cute. And then I don't know about you guys, but I usually will hit the gym, or if I'm heading out to work, or if you are heading out to work or school, just activities, and you want a coffee but on the go. These little mason jars are actually from the dollar store. They're all fall version. I thought they were so cute. They have like little leaves on them. I try to avoid the plastics as much as I can. And so I thought these were super cheery and super fun. And so sometimes what I'll do is I'll just put my coffee in here, put some creamer, etc., and head out the door towards the gym. So check out these at your local grocery store. I thought those were super cheery, $1.25 each. These little mugs, $1.25. And then I just did a little extra decorating with, you know, these little items. This one, I believe I've already had. And then these are just from like the dollar store also. So those are just fun ways to kind of add a little bit of cheer with some decor items. And then down here, I got this little bin actually. I think I actually got it from Facebook Buy Nothing. My Facebook local Buy Nothing group is amazing. But this is an IKEA bin. So if you are looking for the same kind of item, check out IKEA. But this is a great way to kind of organize your teas or your coffee. Maybe you have K-cups, etc. maybe even your straws. But this is a great little bin, so I can just kind of slide it out. But in here, I have like my emergencies. I've got like some chai tea, chamomile tea. I love having like green teas, black tea. And then back here, I've got, on this side, I've just got some of the glass little straws. I love having straws for some reason. I don't know what it is, but I just enjoy them. And then I just have some extra of the little lids. And then down here for storage, I also just have extra of the mason jars, and then also some more little mugs if I am hosting and entertaining. And then I also have some little cocoa powder. I'll put a link down to my favorite one. It's more of the non-dairy healthy version of one. I think I do. I shared the package. So I use all 4 Sigmatic coffee. It's more on the natural organic side. Plus it has a lot of the little mushroom products in there, ashwagandha. So I'll put a link down below, but 4 Sigmatic is one of my favorite coffees. I really, really do enjoy it. And then also their cocoa powder. So it's a little bit more on the healthier version. So a lot of it is dairy-free, gluten-free, plant-based, etc. And so check out their brand. I really like them. So I am not sponsored by them, but I just enjoy their coffee. So I just made my morning cup of coffee. I put in a little bit of the pumpkin pie spice, a little bit of bacon spice also, and some almond milk. So this is my little DIY coffee bar. I hope it brings you a few ideas, some tips for decor, how to save money in regards to those morning cup of coffee or even afternoon cups of coffee, and just some practical ways to organize and store your coffee and tea items. So anyways, guys, happy autumn fall season. I love this just peaceful, joyful season. If this was fun for you, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. And thank you so much for coming along, and we will talk soon. Bye-bye.